Motivational Quotes Number 1 English. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Ever tried? Ever failed? No matter. Try again. Fail again. Fail better. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. If you can dream it, you can do it. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best.